Welcome to GE PowerTalks. My name is Terrell Moore, and I'm a product manager with GE Critical Power. And my topic today is flexible systems that span rectifier platforms. So, what is that all about? One rectifier fits multiple platforms. One distribution panel fits multiple rectifier platforms. So that's what's going on. We basically have it to where we have 1U rectifier shelves and we have 1U distribution panels. And the neat feature is they bus up the back so we can pre-configure systems with multiple stacks of rectifiers and multiple different distribution panels that allow you to have a myriad of different solutions to fit your network needs, right? So at different power levels as well. So we have, like in this instance, we've got SPS, which is the largest rectifier there is an EP1600. We can also do it with an Infinity platform, which is our typical mobility or wireless rectifier platform, and those run 50 or 75 amps, right? So much larger systems, and we're utilizing exactly the same distribution architecture, so it's really got a lower cost basis. We can mate all that stuff up, and again, it affords you the flexibility to deliver multiple GMT solutions, or we can do multiple breaker solutions in these 1U packages. I tend to refer to them as stackables because it's a pretty straightforward deal. You just stack it up with whatever kind of feature set you like. We can also go with converter shelves. So if you have a 48 volt plant and you need a little bit of 24 volt to power that odd microwave platform, we can plug one of those in and run that out as well. So one of the key features of Infinity, like I said before, is it's deployed in a lot of different large wireless site locations, right? So you have like a 1600 or 16,000 or 1600 amp type system with a large distribution bay. In that instance, a carrier already has those rectifiers on spare. They've already got that system installed, and they've already got some familiarity with the controller, right? So then they come back and they do a distribution panel with the small shelf to do the fiber backhaul cabinet or smaller remote type cabinets or remote huts, and still have that same rectifier spare on the truck. So you have commonality with the controller, you have commonality with the rectifier as well. And here's that part. And then as you grow at the other site, you can add an additional rectifier shelf installed in the site to the existing system. As long as you have access to the back, you have that bus structure run up the back, and I'll show you that real quick. Buses run this here, right this way, and you add additional rectifier capacity. You can add additional distribution capacity. Straightforward system. And then the other benefit to the Infinity platform, of course, is we do this eco-priority source rectifier, which you can actually feed it with AC power, or you could feed it with like solar cells. And there's some windmill applications where you can do wind power as well. So it's a really flexible system, lots of power capabilities. And remember, again, it's stackable. We can go with either SPS rectifiers. We have another rectifier shelf called a CP platform, which are basically 2,000 or 2,500 watt systems, or of course, like I said before, the Infinity platform. Pretty straightforward thing. If you have any additional questions, I really appreciate you being here and taking some time with me. I told you it'd be 3 minutes or less.
What pricing are you talking about?
It totally depends on the application, right? As you stack it up, it could be a lot more, but basically you're looking here, something right at about $1,000, $1,200, right, for this kind of a platform. If you go to the Infinity line, the higher power levels, it's going to be a little higher than that, but we're shooting for allowing great flexibility across a complete package of systems for you.